Alright, to create shapes for your mobile, you can have a couple choices, or you can be creative. You can do it out of cardboard. You can do it out of mat board, which is kind of a thicker, several layers of paper put together. It's up to you. Now, before you cut anything, please make sure you have scrap cardboard underneath. You're going to want to draw your design out on your whatever you're using. Okay. Then again, remember your knife safety. That cover is on until you take it, until you're ready to use it. I'm going to make sure my hands are out of the way, my fingers are out of the way. I'm going to my cut, and then I'm going to go deeper to cut all the way through. I turn my cardboard so that I'm not cutting it, fitting my body parts in the way. Or I turn my mat board, whatever I'm working in. Cardboard, mat board, same idea for both. Hold it there. There you go. Cut it out. Now I want that piece to cut out, or to be cut on. So I'm going to go on top of this spiral. And then that, I want to kind of pop out a little bit. Didn't quite get that to cut. I'm going to go back over that spot. There we go. Now it's cut. So there's my shape out of mat board, and I'm going to hang it from this end here. So I'm going to take my punch, and I'm going to pop a hole in it. And once I get it started, I'm going to just kind of push this through a little bit. Make sure that your fingers and hand are out of the way because you don't want to punch a hole in your hand. So that's ready to attach a piece of wire to. And cardboard is going to be the same idea. It's not going to be as easy to cut though because it's thicker. You don't have to use both. You can use one or the other. It's up to you. Notice my hands are out of the way, my fingers are out of the way. Rip that off a little bit. I'm not trying to cut all the way through the first time. I'm just trying to get my shape the first time. And then I can go back through and let the knife follow that same cut underneath until it gets cut all the way through. There we go. And put my cover back on my knife, grab my punch, and I think I want this one to hang this direction, so I'm going to punch it here. Started, push it through a little more so I can see my wire through it. And then use your painting techniques that I taught you, or watch the video on tempera painting techniques to be able to paint these, because watercolor will not work on this. You need to make sure you do